Salma Hayek, renowned actress celebrated for her timeless beauty, has maintained a youthful glow well into her late 50s. At 58, she radiates the same elegance she did in her 20s, leaving many wondering about the secrets behind her graceful aging. So, how does she achieve this? Let's uncover the answers in today's episode. Before we dive in, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Super Healthy. Thank you. Salma Hayek, now 58, but looking as vibrant as 29, reveals her daily beverage that helps her attain her youthful appearance. Before we delve into her anti-aging secrets, let's take a closer look at this extraordinary woman. Salma Hayek was born in Coatzacoalcos, Veracruz, Mexico, and it was evident early on that she was destined for success. With a mix of talent, determination, and a remarkable sense of humor, Salma rose to fame in Hollywood and beyond. Her career spans a range of iconic roles, from portraying the passionate Mexican artist Frida Kahlo in Frida to playing the captivating vampire Queen Santiago Pandemonium in From Dusk Till Dawn. However, her acclaim goes beyond her acting talent. Salma Hayek is also a powerful advocate for diversity and women's rights in the entertainment industry. Now, let's explore the secrets behind the drink that helps Salma maintain her youthful glow even as she approaches 60. Bone broth. Salma Hayek has often shared her love for bone broth, a nutrient-rich beverage that she drinks regularly. This simple yet potent drink is prepared by simmering bones, beef, chicken, or fish, along with vegetables and herbs over a long period, often up to 24 hours. This process releases collagen, gelatin, and other vital nutrients into the broth. According to Salma, bone broth has played a crucial role in helping her avoid cosmetic procedures like Botox. Collagen, a protein abundant in bone broth, is essential for maintaining skin's elasticity and firmness. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, which can lead to wrinkles and sagging skin. By consuming bone broth, Salma replenishes her collagen levels, helping her skin remain supple and youthful. In addition, the gelatin in bone broth promotes gut health, which is essential for overall wellness and can positively impact skin health by reducing inflammation and enhancing nutrient absorption. Bone broth is also rich in amino acids like glycine, proline, and glutamine, which have anti-inflammatory properties and aid in the body's natural detoxification processes. These amino acids contribute to tissue repair and regeneration, further enhancing skin health. The minerals in bone broth, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, are essential for bone health and support various bodily functions. Regularly drinking bone broth helps maintain strong bones and joint health, which is particularly beneficial as we age. Beyond its benefits for skin and bones, bone broth is also known for its immune-boosting properties. The nutrients in bone broth strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and illnesses. Bone broth is hydrating and helps maintain optimal hydration levels, which is crucial for healthy skin and bodily functions. Adding bone broth to one's diet is simple. It can be enjoyed as a warm beverage, used as a base for soups and stews, or incorporated into various recipes. Its versatility and rich flavor make bone broth a delicious addition to a healthy diet. Another key to Salma Hayek's youthful look and excellent health is her diet. She maintains her toned and attractive figure by eating nutritious foods without following a strict diet. Salma admits she doesn't enjoy dieting and isn't particularly disciplined with it, but she does have a rule of avoiding animal products every day and only occasionally consuming meat. Sometimes, she goes several days without eating meat, then gradually reintroduces it into her diet. For breakfast, she enjoys a unique chopped salad made with papaya, blueberries, mango, strawberries, pomegranate seeds, celery, red pepper, and cucumber, topped with almond and coconut butter and yogurt. Despite the unconventional blend of ingredients, Salma describes it as delicious. Growing up with Lebanese roots, Salma was exposed to Arabic cuisine, which includes low-fat options like tahini, legumes, olive oil, and fresh herbs and vegetables. Tahini, made from ground sesame seeds, offers numerous health benefits, such as lowering cholesterol, reducing cancer risk, strengthening bones, and alleviating arthritis. Legumes, like chickpeas often used in hummus, provide low-fat protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Olive oil, frequently combined with herbs and spices, is used to create dips, sauces, salad dressings, and meat marinades. Opting for olive oil over high-fat acids reduces the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Juice cleanse. Salma often turns to chicken soup when staying in hotels during her travels to promote films and attend events. Known as Grandma's Penicillin, chicken soup provides various health benefits, including enhanced skin elasticity and pigmentation, thanks to its high levels of collagen and hyaluronic acid. Collagen is the primary protein in our bodies, playing a vital role in supporting our bones, ligaments, joints, hair, skin, and immune cells. Vitamin C, essential for collagen production, is abundant in fruits and vegetables, making Salma's juice cleanse regimen an effective way to meet daily requirements. Beyond her Hollywood career, Salma Hayek is a wellness enthusiast who has transformed her passion for healthy living into a successful business. She founded Cooler Cleanse, a juice delivery service offering nutrient-rich and delicious cleansing drinks. For Salma, juice cleanses are not solely about weight loss. They're also about finding inner peace and practicing mindfulness. She acknowledges that she often turns to food for comfort during stress, but a juice cleanse helps her break that cycle and refocus on her health and well-being. To create the ideal juice mix, Salma suggests starting with peeled oranges for a boost of vitamin C, essential for a healthy immune system. To enhance the drink's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, she includes a hint of turmeric, a well-regarded spice in traditional medicine. However, the unique element that distinguishes Salma's juice blend is sea buckthorn puree, which she describes as the richest source of omega-7, a nutrient beneficial for skin, hair, nails, and overall health. Sea buckthorn also contains 15 times the vitamin C content of oranges, aiding in skin brightening and collagen production. Salma believes that her juice blend with sea buckthorn is both delicious and a powerful way to practice self-care.
Cough syrup.
Salma's natural cough syrup and immune booster have gained popularity on social media. The actress and businesswoman crafted a remedy for colds and flu using ingredients like ginger, garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar. This syrup not only soothes a sore throat and reduces coughing but also strengthens the immune system, helping the body fend off infections. Salma is a strong advocate for natural remedies, and her cough syrup reflects her commitment to finding effective, healthy solutions for everyday ailments. Exercise. Unlike many celebrities with intense workout routines, Salma Hayek prefers a relaxed and enjoyable approach to fitness. She incorporates gentle activities and postures into her routine, staying active without feeling overwhelmed. As we age, maintaining good posture becomes essential, as slouching can make a person appear older and more frail than they are. Thankfully, there are simple ways to improve posture and instantly look younger. Start by lengthening your neck, aligning your ears with your shoulders, and gently lifting your chest when seated. This not only projects confidence, but also exudes strength and vitality. Practicing Pilates can be particularly beneficial for posture, as it strengthens core muscles that support the spine. Good posture improves balance, prevents falls, and contributes to a more youthful and vibrant appearance. A study from Germany found that the condition of a woman's skin on her chest, hands, and arms significantly affects how old she appears. Engaging in strength training and exercise can counteract muscle and bone density loss, which can impact posture and overall appearance. Exercise doesn't only affect posture, it also benefits us at a cellular level. Research has shown that regular exercise slows the shortening of telomeres, which controls cellular aging. This leads to notable effects on health and longevity. Thus, consistent exercise helps you feel and look younger and promotes a youthful physicality. Salma Hayek enjoys dancing and includes walking as part of her daily routine, often taking her dogs on walks. The key to sustainable exercise is to find activities that bring joy and make you feel good. By making exercise enjoyable, you'll be more likely to stick with it, leading to better posture, health, and vitality. Self-massage. One unique aspect of Salma Hayek's routine is her commitment to self-massage. Rather than sticking to traditional workouts, Salma incorporates gentle massage techniques into her daily life, especially targeting her face and body to maintain skin tone and elasticity. This practice is not only relaxing but also stimulates blood flow, which can improve skin health and give it a natural, youthful glow. Salma's self-massage method involves gentle stretching and light pressure in a way that engages her muscles without the need for strenuous exercise. She describes this as her restorative approach to fitness. By consciously activating her muscles throughout the day, Salma is able to stay toned without overexertion. These small movements, like engaging the core while sitting or stretching while moving around, help her maintain a youthful and active physique. For Salma, self-massage and mindful body movements are a way of caring for herself, allowing her to look and feel her best without the intensity of a rigorous workout routine. Salma Hayek's wellness philosophy teaches us that beauty and health don't always require intense routines or drastic measures. Through a mix of mindful eating, natural skincare, spiritual practice, and gentle body movement, she's found a path that nourishes her mind, body, and spirit holistically. Her approach reminds us that wellness is as much about inner peace and self-respect as it is about outward appearance. By embracing practices like nutrient-rich diets, facial exercises, and self-massage, Salma has crafted a routine that feels sustainable and enriching. Rather than fighting aging, she embraces it with grace, aiming for balance over perfection. Her story encourages all of us to find what feels good, prioritize self-care, and celebrate ourselves at every stage of life.